My deadbolt is like sticking. I should probably show the deadbolt, but I just felt like filling up the syringe and going up, so I'm showing you this first. My roommate was like banging on the door, and there's a lot of shit going on here, so I don't know if she was thinking I changed the locks on her or something. But long story short, fucking I am gonna try to just fill up the cylinder. I noticed when I put it on, I think it was like touchy, and I noticed I had to like tighten it just right. So maybe I could just put it up and tighten it. So it's gonna be hard to say what's fixing it, but I'm gonna fill it up with grease. This probably will never get on the video anyway, because that's probably very true. Just moving it might fix the fucking problem. I just globbed it in to the back here, so it would be like you know, then you put the plunger on and it comes up to the front. And that's not even that bad. Sometimes it's like, especially I think if somebody key locks it from outside, it's like you really gotta torque it over. Like that. The syringe like really allows you to like shoot it in there. It turned out the actual fix was getting this guy into the bottom corner there. There's like a little bit of space on top. I think before it was kind of more like in the middle, centered, and more on this side. And this over here and down, like it works super good. Probably better than it's been like ever, honestly. That's nice to do because I did a bunch of tests when I was messing with it and it was really sticky. I mean, it sticks a little bit. The real test will be the key test. And there's two different tests you got to do with these, I suppose, because if it's locked from the inside, it kind of potentially, I think it actually moves the cylinder out a little further, and the mechanism's in a different spot than if you just did it from the outside. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Yeah, see, from the outside it goes that far. From the inside it goes, oh, you know, actually before there was more travel distance and now there's not, so I guess that's a good sign. Oh yeah, that works so damn good. Yay. So if you have one of these deadbolts that sucks ass, hey Luna, you can, my cats know when I'm filming. You can make sure it's installed right. Maybe I should start a YouTube channel called Home Repair Fixes to Do because you don't want to call your landlord to fix something because you're afraid she might raise the rent and you already can't afford it. Is that too many words?